let's talk about the invisible data that makes your pictures work harder for you. Okay, let's dive right in. So you create these amazing images, but they might be totally invisible online. No credit, no sales, nothing. And look, this isn't some small problem. It's actually costing you traffic, sales, and even your creative rights. So what's the fix? It's called IPTC Metadata. Think of it like a nutrition label for your photo. Now, this is super important. Don't mix this up with Exif data. Exif is the how, IPTC is the what. Okay, so why bother with all this? Well, the payoff is absolutely massive for your SEO and your rights.
Just how big a difference does it make? Well, in Google image search, the numbers are pretty staggering.
Yeah, that's right. Over twice as often. That's a huge deal, and it comes from just filling out a few fields. So if you want that SEO boost, you gotta focus on these 4 fields. They're the most important ones. And it's not just about SEO. That little copyright notice, it unlocks Google's licensable badge. Huge. So let's break it down. What are the absolute essential fields you should be using? It's called IPTC Core. It really comes down to these basics: a headline, a good description, keywords, your name, and that copyright notice. But what if your work is more complex? That's where extension fields come in, for things like model releases. And you know, this stuff is always evolving, especially with AI, which now has its own dedicated fields. You can now specify the AI system, the prompt, and even who wrote it. It's all about transparency. Okay, great. But who actually reads all this data? Let's take a look at the big players. First up, Google. It uses this for everything, rankings, and getting you that all-important licensable badge. For stock sites like Adobe or Shutterstock, forget about it. Your keywords and description are literally everything. And if you're on Etsy or Shopify, this is a game changer. The data can auto-populate your product listings. All right, I get it. This sounds like a ton of work, right? But the key is to not do it one by one. The trick is to edit in bulk. Just select all your images, fill in the common info, and apply it to everything. There are even browser tools that do this. It makes managing your work so much faster, no matter how many photos you have. So let me leave you with this. In a world full of AI, could this data be even more important than the image itself?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.